Hello and welcome to the preview of my online course Essential SQL Server Development Tips for SQL Developers. My name is Artemagis Artemiou and I'll be your instructor in this course. So first, let's take a look what you learn if you enroll to my course. So right after some introductory stuff, for example, talking about what is SQL Server, what you can do with SQL Server, the SQL versus the T-SQL scripting languages, and some other related stuff, we will jump right into the first main section of the course, and that is tips for programming in SQL Server with T-SQL. So in this section, among other, you will learn about sequence objects in SQL Server, the date and time data types, datetime2 versus datetime, the match statement, row constructors, the string split function, built-in JSON support, temporal tables, and much more. Then we will jump right into the next section, and that is working with unstructured data. To this end, we are going to see how you can import and export unstructured data in SQL Server using the var binary data type, how you can do the same using the file stream functionality, as well as how you can use file tables for performing similar tasks. Then we will talk about useful T-SQL tips for SQL developers. To this end, among other, we are going to see how we can retrieve security-related info for SQL Server logins, how we can insert leading characters to a string, how you can get all the records from all tables in all user databases, how you can retrieve SQL Server instance-related information, how you can execute T-SQL statements against all databases in SQL Server, how you can create link servers, and more. Finally, in the last section of the course, we're going to talk about special SQL Server development topics. So within the context of this section, we're going to talk about where are programmability objects stored in SQL Server, how you can execute heavyset-based operations against very large databases in SQL Server, how you can use the output clause in SQL Server in order to implement a simple custom data archiving mechanism, how you can use computed columns, how you can handle null and empty values, and much more. So ultimately, if you enroll to this course, you will learn how to develop data processes in SQL Server with more ease. Now, a few words about me. I'm a senior SQL Server and software architect. I have over 15 years of experience with SQL Server and .NET technologies. I have been a Microsoft Data Platform MVP for 9 years. I'm a professional author, blogger, and speaker, certified SQL Server engineer, and founder of SQL NetHub. About the course requirements, you need to have basic knowledge of the SQL Server fundamentals, as well as basic knowledge of SQL Server Management Studio. Now, about the structure of the course consists of lectures. It also features more than 30 live demonstrations. Also, it provides quizzes in the end of each section in order to test what you've learned in that section, as well as a major practice test in the end of the course. In addition to all that, the course provides many downloadable resources. Now, who is this course for? This course is for SQL developers who want to learn essential SQL Server development-related knowledge. Also, it is suitable for SQL Server DBAs and computer programmers who want to learn more about developing SQL Server. Last but not least, the course is suitable for technology enthusiasts who want to learn more about SQL Server development. After the course, you will know how to perform different development tasks in SQL Server, you will have strengthened your T-SQL coding skills, as well as you will know how to work with unstructured data in SQL Server. Last but not least, you will know how to perform specialized development-related tasks in SQL Server. Thank you for previewing my course. I'm really looking forward to see you inside the course.